In this lecture, we are going to study meaning, function of energy management, controlling energy consumption and energy saving needs. What is energy management? Achieving world-class energy performance requires companies to gain a granular visibility of where one can save and closely monitor the impact of energy efficiency. Energy management is mainly concerned with the one that relates to saving of energy. The saving of energy in the areas like businesses, public sector, government organization and homes. Saving energy means decreasing the amount of energy used while achieving a similar outcome of an end use. Using less energy has lots of benefits. You can save money and help the environment. Generating energy requires precious natural resources, for instance, coal, oil, or gas. Now, what are the steps involved in energy management? Firstly, metering your energy consumption and collecting the data. After this, you have to find opportunities to save energy and estimating how much energy each opportunity could save. Actions to be taken to target the opportunities to save energy. Your progress should be tracked by analyzing your meter data to see how well your energy saving efforts have worked. Energy management has a vast meaning. Now let us learn home energy management system. Energy management has been popular in larger buildings for a long time and it has only recently started easily spread in homes. Mostly people are not aware of energy management in homes to reducing their energy consumption. Because of this, home energy management plays an important role in monitoring energy consumption and areas where energy can be preserved. A result-driven approach is used by professional energy managers. Have a look at importance of energy management and its benefits. If people use less energy, there is less pressure to increase the available supply of energy. Importance of energy saving is from the global aspect and need to save energy. This global need affects energy prices, emission targets and legislation, all of which led to several compelling reasons why should save energy at your organization specifically. After studying energy management in homes, let us have a look on controlling and reducing energy consumption of your organization. Organization energy management and saving will lead to cost reduction and less emission of carbon and its compound. It also led to reduced risk as when more energy is consumed, the greater the risk that energy price increases. Or even make it possible for your business organization to continue. With energy management, you can reduce this risk by reducing your demand for energy and by controlling it so as to make it more predictable. This is for today. See you in the next session.